Good afternoon. I'm Miriam Smolen, Chair of the Fairfax Library Foundation. Just to start with a point of personal privilege, I've been honored to be in a volunteer leadership role supporting the library system for the last 14 years. First as a trustee, then as Chair of the Board of Trustees, and the last 4 years of Chair of the Fairfax Library Foundation. This is my final year as Chair of the Foundation, so it'll be the last time I have to address you in support of the library and support of the library's budget. Through my various positions, I've been deeply impressed with the Fairfax County Public Library's breadth of resources and innovative programs, and even more impressed by the depth of the dedication of the county's librarians and other library system employees. As Suzanne mentioned, next week is National Library Week, but today, actually, April 16th, is National Librarian Day, so this is a particularly appropriate time to talk about supporting our library. FCPL contributes to nearly all of the county's strategic plan areas, but most notably lifelong learning, economic opportunity, and cultural and recreational opportunities. The Fairfax Library Foundation has served as a partner supporting our library community by raising money from supporters of the library and providing that funding to support the extras along with friends groups and other supporters. Let me highlight just a few of the foundation programs from this past year. Our cornerstone early literacy programs, Ready to Read and 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten, funded 1,500 story times for nearly 27,000 participants via FCPL's early literacy team last year. The Foundation's grants provided 25,000 picture books as gifts to children from across the county. Last year, we awarded $53,000 in scholarships to Fairfax County students going to college and library employees pursuing advanced training. In this coming year, the Foundation has committed to purchasing and equipping a van so that FCPL can have a mobile unit to use where libraries are closed for renovation. I'm most proud of the program that started during my time as chair, which highlights the Foundation's commitment to children's literacy. On June 13th, 2026, in a couple of months, we'll be holding the 4th annual Children's Summer Reading Festival here on the Government Center grounds. It's truly a highlight for the summer. Last year's festival saw over 1,500 attendees come to the festival at Sherwood Regional Library, and nearly 8,000 attendees have attended over the last 4 years. And in 2025, the festival supported a record-breaking 23,000 sign-ups for the summer reading program. Overall, we've seen a 60% increase in the summer reading program since the festival's founding. I'm also happy to report that the community's support for the library is definitely growing, and we see it in our fundraising. Our fundraising is actually already over budget by 14%, and we still have a quarter of the year to go. But having reported all this positive news, I have to reinforce what Suzanne Levy just spoke about. Nothing can replace the long-term financial commitment to the library system from the county budget. The proposed FY2027 budget begins to address the long-term underinvestment in the library's materials budget, which is really the face of the library to most of the public. This underinvestment shows up in multiple ways. Just a couple of examples. We've had a 26% decline in the number of books purchased from 2021 to 2025, and a decrease of 12% in the nonfiction collection over the last 7 years. The Foundation would like to give our support to the FCPL proposal to increase its material budget by using savings related to internal personnel management. We respectfully ask that you endorse this proposal as part of the FY27 Advertised Budget, and we would also ask that you commit to continuing to annually increase the base budget for library materials until it reaches a level which is competitive with the other jurisdictions around us. The Foundation appreciates the Board's continuing interest in our goals, and we look forward to working together in the future to support our public library. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Miriam. Thank you for all your years of service. Much appreciated.